The Aidek 4L Pink Mini Beauty Fridge is like a tiny, cool closet for your skincare. It has DIY shelves, so you can organize your creams and masks. It is perfect for a bedroom, dorm, or office. This small refrigerator can keep your beauty items chilled. Many customers love how compact it is. Plus, it has both AC and DC adapters. This means you can use it at home and in the car. This Aidek 4L Pink Mini Beauty Fridge is not just for skincare. You can also store other small things. Think about keeping your favorite face masks cool, or maybe some refreshing eye gels. Some customers even use it for small drinks. It's a versatile little piece. The rose pink color adds a cute touch. It won't take up much space on your desk. It's also quiet, so it won't bother you during the day. Overall, the Aidek 4L Pink Mini Beauty Fridge is a nice addition. It helps keep your beauty products at a good temperature. It's portable, and the DIY shelves are handy. If you want a small, dedicated space for your skincare, this is it. It's a simple process to use. It could be a great gift for your daughter. For the price, many customers find it worthwhile. Pros: portable design, 4L capacity, DIY shelves, for bedroom, for dorm, for office, small size. AC/DC 12 volt, for desktop, for travel, rose pink color. Cons: small storage space, might not get very cold, could be noisy, questionable long-term. Reliability, may not fit all product sizes. Adjustable shelves might be flimsy, cooling may not be strong enough, could more power than expected. Rose pink color might not appeal to all. Possibly overpriced for the function features. Cosmetic makeup fridge, 4L portable, beauty fridge, DIY shelves, bedroom, dorm, office, small refrigerator, AC/DC 12 volt, car cooler, desktop and travel, rose pink. This Aidek mini fridge is a small, portable cooler in rose pink. It can hold up to 4 liters of stuff, like makeup or skincare. It has shelves you can change around yourself. You can use it in your bedroom, a dorm, the office, or even in your car because it works with different kinds of power. It's good for keeping things cool at home or while traveling. This Aidek mini fridge is a small, pink, 4-liter cooler designed for makeup and skincare. It has adjustable shelves and can be used in a bedroom, dorm, office, or car. It can plug into a regular wall outlet or a car's 12-volt outlet, making it useful for desktops and travel. However, it has limited storage, might not get very cold, could be noisy, and its long-term reliability is uncertain. Some users might find it overpriced for what it does.